Welcome back, folks. I'm here in the shop. Got a job in the CNC mill, and I'm going to run it off of the Titan DNC box for drip feeding. It's hooked into the RS-232 port on the machine, and it will just drip feed. I got a part here I'm going to show you when I'm cutting. So I'm going to get this thing going. Already loaded the program in the box off of a flash drive. And just give myself a fault. I know what it is. What I done is I checked this just to start before I started the video, and what I done, it was still running on the box in the back, which was still feeding the control, so it throwed an alarm. Once I went back and reset the box, I was good to go. I'm going to spin around here, let you see the you can actually see the machine here running. But you can see it is running right on the screen. And it'll run as long a program as you want it that'll fit on the flash drive. It'll just run it and dump it, run it and dump it. All you got to do is set up your handshake and everything in the control to match your box. The problem here is I'm cutting, it's not really a problem, but I'm cutting white plastic. It's got this whole program. I got to turn up my feed rate. And this is kind of a 2D, but it's ramping in. This is just a general roughing for Mastercam using the Dynapath post in Mastercam. And it'll even cut 3D this way. It's getting a little shaggy because of the plastic. I don't have enough RPM to really run this right. I got to adjust it. It works. We'll turn the camera back up here. Alright, things adjusted. This is the actual part that I'm making. And it's got a hole in here to the side, corners, counterboard. Now it'll be like it's 3 more operations. I got to stand it up, put holes in here, flip it over, take this part of this lip comes off, comes thickness. And then there's some holes coming in the backside. But there's a halfway done part. just a quick video on the Dynapath and some 3D work I do here. I got a bait mold for fish coming up. That'll be a 3D job we're doing here. If you like the video, like it, share them, subscribe, pass the word around. Little machine shop out in Summerlin, Ohio. Good Heart Machine and Repair. You can find me on the internet, Good Heart Machine Shop. There's the air compressor. Thanks for watching.